Hi, the instructional kind of resource or tool that I chose next was Storybird. It was one that I found in an internet search that was highly recommended. It's also out of my science and math comfort zone since it was about reading and writing, or English ELA specific, as well as some music. So I started exploring it. I signed up as an educator for free, even though I'm not a teacher yet. Could have signed up as a parent, but I did find it very interesting and enjoyable. This is my stuff. I did create a class as well. You can do it as looked to what you're doing or what your class is doing. You can see the assignments. I don't have any here. And what's been turned in, your student list, and where things, the progress of each student. This was one that I kind of fictitiously made up. So for me, you can look under reading and assign. I assigned one called quarantine, but you can look to see. There's hundreds and thousands of things that you can assign. You can actually make your own book or write your own story here. And these are all the things that you can do, but I haven't done yet. As far as you can do reading, writing, there's also classes on you can also assign music that are kind of sing-along areas. So as you can see, there are many different books that you can choose from. It tells about the book and the level, and you can search specific to grade levels as well. You can assign different challenges. And I found it very, very interesting. If I would work with it long enough and had a class to assign things to and explore it a bit further. I think the standards are educational leaders, ISTE 1A, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet the student needs, and 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the needs of their students. So if this is of interest, please explore it. I think it could have real value. Thank you.